Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Today I am really excited because I received my first Glitzglam box. I am so freaking excited about this box, you guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it is a monthly subscription box. And this look I have on right now is what I created with the products that were in the box, which was these beautiful lashes, these gold leaves, and the strobing kit that comes in there. Man, oh man. And the box is $15 a month. Yeah, so please continue to watch. Thank you. Let's go ahead and open this up. And oh, this is so cute, people. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I don't want to make it fall, but look at that. Look at my box. I'm so happy. So anyway, this is, let's see, Glitzglam Fest, your April box. And it tells you everything that's in the April box. And they actually are doing a box for mama right now. You can go on the website and pre-order that. It is let's see, $24.95. Oh no, I'm sorry, it says your May box will include a luxe item valued at $24.95. Okay, so anyway, the box for mama is give your mom the box of glam. Pre-order today, free shipping, guaranteed delivery by Mother's Day. Each box include full-size makeup and personal care items that your mom will love. Personalized card and free U.S. shipping, $35. We are now taking pre-orders. And here's all their social media contact information as well, in case you wanted to check that out. And I'm telling you, y'all, go and check out the channel. It's amazing. The owner is so sweet, so beautiful, and she's just great. She's great. And she always responds to comments. She's great. And let's see. Oh, here's a little personal. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. I'm so excited. All right, so she says, thank you for your order. We are sorry for the wait. Free gift enclosed. XO, the Glitzglam box. That is so sweet. And that's only because, you know, I didn't mind waiting, but that's only because I ordered after the March box. See, I ordered in March, like in the, I guess right after they sold out or what have you. So I had to wait till this month to get my box, so it's like a month or so, but that's okay. But anyway, it says this is a cosmetic glitter and it is in the shade Eggplant. Can you see that? It's a pretty purple, pretty purple. That's really cute, really cute. All right, and so let's see here. And also, I don't know if you saw in the beginning, it says right here, it says Glitzglam Box, and it has it in a couple, you know, a few ways, and it's in different fonts. And then it says, we don't do basic. See, like you see. Try not to let my stuff fall out. And it says, we don't do basic. Yes. Alrighty. So, the first thing is a clean color fan brush. You can never have too many fan brushes for that highlight, child. Y'all know I love me some highlight. Textured skin or not. You know, I always say this. You know, artists tell you don't wear highlight when you have textured skin, but I say hell with them, you know. I'm always putting my highlight on. I don't care. It is what it is. It's my skin and I'm loving being in it. Okay, so that's cute. This is a really cute brush. Clean color again. Look at that. Very, this brush is really cute. Really soft. Really soft. And then after you get into the purple look, this packaging is everything, y'all. Look at that. Everything. So then you just tear into this. And you get Infinite Glow Lashes. OMG. Beautiful. These are 3D silk lashes. And mine is in Bougie Doll. Yes, these are the ones that she was wearing in her video. Yes, yes. She was, the owner was wearing these in her own video. Y'all go check out glitzglambox.com. And I am so sorry I cannot remember her name right now. Although I watched the Glitzglam channel as beautiful. These are, let me take them out. I'm sorry, y'all. Look at those. What? Look at those. What? Bougie. Bougie. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Bougie is what it is too. Bougie is what it is. All right. And then after that, we have these gold leaf flakes. This is what she had on in the video also. These, I've never, ever, ever heard of anything like this or experienced anything like this. So this is going to be so fun to put on. So instead of actual either a glitter palette or a glitter tube or vial or whatever, they gave these like gold leaf glitter type packets. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. It's going to be weird for me to try those, but I'm going to. And next we have the Aesthetica Strobe Series Radiate Tan to Dark. Yes. Okay. And it looks like this. You see those colors there? Yes, yes, yes you do. All right. So and also, if y'all hear some extra noise, that's my baby. Every time I want to do a video, it feels like that's when he wants my attention. All day, he'll never want to be bothered. But yet, as soon as I get in here to come and do a video, here comes Jaden. Anywho, all right. So, it has a little book here, little pamphlet. It tells you different ways to do contour, highlight, and strobing. That's very helpful. Very, very helpful. Yep. All right, I'll look into that absolutely once I, get done with this. Oh, and it comes with a, what is this, a marker? An eyeliner. Comes with an eyeliner too. So it comes with these 4 shades as well as an eyeliner. I am about to mess this packaging up, ain't I? Well, oh well, it's not, I don't keep it in the packaging anyway. But, all right, yes, yes, yes. I'm just throwing stuff everywhere because I'm so excited for this box. All right, put that down there too. So yeah, this is Liquid Strobe Tan to Dark. All right, it's like a liquid highlighter there. Look at that. Little pen, hey, little pen there. Tan to Dark. This up on the inside. This is very, very cute, y'all. Very, very cute. And here's the colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then on the back, it actually gives you instructions for strobing. It tells you the steps, how to prep your skin, apply the base contour, everything. Gives you steps on how to use this particular palette. I know the writing is small on the camera, but yeah, it's not, you can definitely see it in person. All right, so let's get into, we doing the real deal here, y'all. Real deal. Real deal. You just take it out and it feels like a really soft, soft, soft piece of tissue paper without all the noise. This is so crazy. Can y'all see this? This is so crazy. And this is like an eye glitter you're supposed to put on your eye. Look at this. Alrighty, I am breaking off a piece of the gold leaf paper and just trying to break it down to a workable size so that I can apply it to my eye. I don't have anything on my eyelid. I just have some, well, except for some eyelid primer, and I am just applying, the piece that I thought was manageable to my eye right there. And yeah, just trying to fit it in all the right places, like trying to shape it and mold it to my eye. It's not a hard product to work with. It's just that I'm new and not really sure what I'm doing, and I'm not sure if this is the proper way to do it. Now I feel like it needs something more to hold it down with. It's not really feeling like it's secure to me. So, you know, but I still, you know, try to make it work. And so then I just added another piece to try to complete the eye. But if you continue to watch, you will see my, you know, slight struggles, but those struggles do turn into something positive. So please continue to watch. Brought you in a little closer so you can see my little mishaps here. So I just added another piece on top of there, still trying to mold it and fit it. And next I'm trying to just scrape it off the crease and stuff, trying to make it fit even better. But I just don't feel like it's secure and that it looks good. So I'm just not happy with it. Yeah. All right, as you can see, I took it off. Yeah, because I'm not sure if that was the way that it is supposed to go. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead, and this time I'll try to apply it with some glitter stay glue from Hard Candy. Oh yeah, everybody. Oh yes, that is so much better. Putting it on with the glitter glue. Look at that shot. That looks so much better. Oh, we have found the way. All right, so what I'm going to do, because you see the gist of it now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete the other eye, and I'll be right back. So yeah, this is what the gold foil, why do I keep calling them gold foil? I don't know. But this is what the gold leaf flakes look like after I've applied them, as well as those bomb lashes. OMG, look at these lashes, y'all. These lashes, again, what are they called? These lashes, Bougie Doll Lashes by Infinite Glow. Oh my gosh, these lashes are beautiful. Woo! And then the gold, look at that. I did pretty good. Once you use glitter glue, comes out nice. Look at that. This look is good on me, baby. I am loving it. Woo, y'all. Yes. But anyway, alrighty. Let's get back to my video. So, this was an unboxing video that I done turned all the way around, y'all. I'm sorry. But anyway, all right. So let's go ahead and get using this other thing. Let me go ahead and contour really quickly. And for the contour, I'm just going to use this. It's my Ray Ray, the first one. I ordered the new one. Haven't gotten that one yet. But I'm going to just go ahead and use this little contour right here real quick. Just a little something, something. Done turned my unboxing into a freaking tutorial, didn't I? I'm sorry, y'all. I am sorry, y'all. Still stick with me, please. I'm trying to get this done for y'all. You know, you never know what you're going to find or get with me. You never know what you're going to get with me. Sorry. All right. Darn, I made a line across my head. All right, let me go here. I just want to get this really quickly, people. Yes. All right, so let's get that contour out the way. Okay, so next we have, of course, that Aesthetica from the Glitzglam Box, and these are the colors yet again. So I'm going to take the fan brush that also came in the Glitz box right here, and I am just going to go in with this rosy one right here. Yeah, no, you know what? Actually, I'm going to go in with this one right here as a highlight. So we will go ahead and that one, well, I don't have the names with me, but you know. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. A nice little subtleness. I'm trying to build it up to some intensity though, y'all. Y'all know how I do. I need that intenseness. Ain't no subtle girl around here. Ain't no subtleness on this block. Ain't no subtle on this block. Very, very pretty, y'all. Pretty. Oh, I love these gold flakes. Shoot. Got me getting ready to cuss. Beautiful. Yes. Y'all done went overboard with the highlight, but y'all don't have to do like me. I'm just extra. All right, there, that's that. And I just realized I forgot to put my dang blush on. I'm going to be using the NARS, what is it? Matahari. All right, and that's that cute little highlight. That's really cute. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and put on my blush and my lips, and I will be back. And this is the completed look with everything that was in my Glam Glitz box, and I really, really enjoyed this first box. I really like it, and of course, I'm going to continue on with the subscription because it was great. Yeah, so, you know, these gold foil, OMG, foil packs again. What is it? Gold leaf flakes. I did pretty good for not to have ever seen this product before. I never watched anyone do it before. I just picked it up, opened it, and tried to apply it. Now, like I said, I did see the owner do an unboxing video, but she didn't show how to use these at that point. So I'm just going off of how I felt like it should have been applied. I don't know. But anyway, they came out pretty good. Now, could I use some work with them? Probably so. I don't know. What do you think? I did pretty good, I think. And they look good. Look really, really good. I really like this look. But these lashes, bougie, girl. Watch when I step outside. Bougie. Woo! That's an understatement for me, baby. Bougie. All day long at the supermarket, at brunch. Man, I'm going to be bougie. That's it for the box, everyone. I really, really appreciate you for sticking with me this long. I know this video was a little all over the place because, you know, it was a first impression, first box. So I was just trying to, you know, go with it and see what I can do with the box. So, but yeah, I love it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a video. Please like my video and comment. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Bye.